Hello friends. During this corona pandemic, everybody is talking about immune system. As we all are fighting against the deadly virus all over the world, the only way to keep ourselves safe is social distancing and enhancing our immune system. Guys, do you know what is the immune system? Immune system is the network of cells and proteins in our body which helps us to fight against the invading infections. Let me first explain what is immune system. The immune system are made up of special organs, cells and chemicals which fight against the infections, that is mainly microbes. There are various parts in the immune system. The main parts of the immune systems are white blood cells, antibodies, lymphatic system, spleen, bone marrow and thymus. White blood cells flows all around the body and attack bacteria, virus and other parasites like fungi. They include B cells, T cells and natural killer cells. Antibodies helps the body to fight microbes or the toxins produced by them. Our complementary system which helps to enhance the action of antibodies. Like lymphatic system manage the fluid levels in body. Spleen is a blood filtering organ which removes microbes and destroys old damaged red blood cells. Bone marrow produces the red blood cells which is a carrier of WBC, and last thymus which filters and monitors the blood content. It also produces WBC called T lymphocytes. Immune system can be developed in various ways like managing stress, creating healthy sleep habits, exercise regularly, and last but not the least, eating healthy and immunity boosting foods. So in today's talk, we will discuss about the foods which we can ingest to enhance our immunity. First of all, we all might be knowing that vitamin C is associated with immunity building. The most important source of vitamin C are citrus fruits, which include oranges, lemons, grapefruits, etc. Vitamin C increases the production of white blood cells in our body, which are the key ingredients to fight infections. Next food is garlic, which is a very common culinary ingredient. Garlic contains a heavy concentration of sulfur-containing compounds known as allicin, which is responsible for the immune boosting power. Garlic also contains a blood pressure lowering properties. Ginger contains gingerol as a bioactive compound which is responsible for its anti-inflammatory activity. Use of ginger is done to reduce sore throat and cough. It also possesses cholesterol lowering properties. Next food is broccoli. Broccoli is a vegetable containing vitamins and minerals in a huge amount. It contains vitamin A, C and E and a very good source of antioxidants, which makes it an immune boosting vegetable. Spices are the rich source of essential oils and phytochemicals which are responsible for their antibacterial properties and anti-inflammatory effects. First is turmeric, which is mainly consists of compound called curcumin, which have powerful anti-inflammatory effect. That is why turmeric is used to heal various types of injuries. It is also a strong antioxidant. It also improves brain function and fights Alzheimer's disease. Next is nutmeg, which possesses its immune boosting power due to the minerals it supplies to our body, mainly potassium, calcium and iron. It is also a good antioxidant. It also possesses many other benefits like preventing insomnia, reducing joint and muscle pain, acne treatment and improving digestion. Black pepper contains piperine as an active ingredient which is responsible for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Black pepper is also used to soothe and sore throat and cough and cold. Next, clove, which contains eugenol, which is responsible for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial property. It aids in treating cold and boosting the immune system of our body. It also used in treating oral diseases like toothaches and also promotes digestion. Star anise, which is also known as chakkar phool in Hindi, have tremendous amount of antiviral and antibacterial properties. Shikimic acid derived from it is used in the treatment of H1N1 influenza virus. It also have many other benefits like preventing constipation. It is also good for bones, preventing anemia and insomnia. It also act as mosquito repellent, and it is also a good source of vitamin C. The other spices which are a good source of antioxidant and prevent us from microbial invasion are cinnamon or dalchini, carom seeds or ajwain, cumin seed or jeera. Cumin is also a good source of vitamin C. The other sources which have immunity boosting power are green chili, which have a 7 times the amount of vitamin C than oranges. Last but not the least ingredient is tulsi, which has a tremendous immune boosting power. Tulsi is a potential source to fight against nearly all types of microbes, including swine flu virus, which is a member of dangerous SARS family. It contains phytochemicals such as rosmarinic acid, which helps to reduce respiratory tract infection.